Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this heart cutout transparent text effect on CapCut PC. So let's just freeze frame it because we're only going to need this one color. Go to mask and select the heart shape, and I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. Go to text and add in your default text. You can type in anything you want. Maybe you're going to type in Valentine's Day, or maybe I love you, or whatever you want. And I'm also going to change to a bolder font. I might just type in heart actually, because I think that's simple. Select this one first and go down to stroke. And we're going to select the the pink area. Let's be colorblind. I'm not, but I'm just going to adjust the font size here. Select both, right click, create compound clip, and add it on top of like a quite dark video, like this one. Select your overlay, go back to video, go to basic, and then select screen or brighten. I can't talk. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!